Hello everyone, I'm here to share with you the ephemera that I've made, and most of them are from Roxy Creations Weekly Challenge, but I think there's 14 pieces of ephemera, and then I'm going to pick a number between 1 and 49, who are all the people who left comments. Okay, so let's show what we've got here. This one was just a little collage that I made. Thought I'd send that along. This is one of the Roxy Creation one page, and you fold it over, and then you've got pocket here and a pocket here and a pocket here, and it has the band that wraps around it. So I mean, this will help you if you plan to make something like this. You can use it as a guide. This is the well, it's a long tag envelope, but you can put this over the page envelope and just put a paper clip in, and then put your item in the pocket. This one is the wraparound. It goes like this and this, and so you have, let me get a piece of page. So you'll have a pocket on this side, and you'll have a pocket on this side. I think this is just a great thing to do with just, you know, half pages, leftovers, things like that. It's great. This is one of the very first ones I think I made, and it was Roxy's. I don't think that was her print, maybe. But it was just a book page that you fold up, and then you put backing on the flower to make it strong enough for use heavy cardstock, and then that makes your pocket there. So I love those, they're fun. And this one here is the one this is the one that I was doing with vellum, and she had it kind of go in a different direction, but I put the design facing the front of the card instead of the back side. Anyway, and this is a little journal card. Now, some of these, if you want to sew around them or embellish them more, you can. I just don't have time right now. This is the one I made with the vellum also, and tying a little tie here. And I think there might be a easier way to do this, but that's the way I did it. She did too, actually. And then she just used plain vellum, and I put paper behind my vellum, and then I made two pockets inside, one with vellum and one with the paper. Okay, and then the back is plain there. I did some stenciling on the vellum, you can see there. So now this one too, I left it like too big. She had cut hers off to make it not as wide, and I didn't see that part, or I saw it but didn't comprehend it. So where are you, little tie? See it. Okay, so there's that one. This one is an envelope. I think it's just, no, yeah, I think this was like the postcard envelope, but I made this, I think, with a different, I think it was Creative, I never remember their names. Anyway, you can do the front of this with the actual postcard, which I might have, I don't know. This is another one with the tab, and it's got, this is original here, original French paper that I put in there, and I'm not sure what the date is, but it's really delicate. And I put a vintage postcard in, and this is a vintage receipt, but it's a copy. It's from it's either Pink Monarch, who has these invoice type things, or tailor-made tailor-made journals. And then this is a little tag there, and you could put something in the back too. Okay, and then this one is the document folder, and I just put some random pages in here, and you can journal on them, or you could tear the pages out and use them for another journal. Okay, so that was on Roxy's too, so that was kind of cool. Or you could put it in a Happy Mail, something like that. These are the skinny tags that she made. I think it was a collage, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not sure. You know, like a master board. And this is another little big ephemera card. This was Clardy's Crafts, I believe, and she does these big tucks, and that's why I did one of those for that. It didn't go in the journal I was going to put it in. This one I just did. This is the painted background on this pocket, and I put the bird and a little definition there, and you can glue that in. And then here's a tag, the same concept that Rachel came up with. Okay, so this is the Happy Mail that's going to be mailed to you, and I'm going to ask my Google if he'll give me a number, or she. I think it's a she. Anyway, so hey Google, give me a number between 1 and 49. She's doing it. Here's a random number, 39. 39. Let me just write that up there, and let's find out who it is. Tracy Fox. Can you believe that? Oh my goodness. And I have to send it to the UK. Well, I don't know. Maybe Tracy will get the message, or maybe she watches my channel. I don't know. But she commented this last month, so I had to put her name in there as well. Okay, so if Tracy doesn't claim this, I'll just do another one, another drawing. I don't know when. I'll give her like a week, and then I'll do another one like next Monday or something. Okay, so thanks for all your comments. Thanks for all your support. Thanks for all my new subscribers, giving me a chance to share with them what I do. And thanks, to everyone. I wish I could say more, but there's just not enough words to express how grateful I am. I'm not making a bunch of money or anything, that's for sure, but I really do enjoy doing this, and I just want you guys to know that. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Bye.